guys, and welcome back to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. Today here we are at Porvorim. Actually this is my first ride with my Goan followers. So I have Takbir who's coming with a few friends and we are going South Goa. So unfortunately again, as I said, I don't have the GoPro Max to actually give you the stunning recording of the roads or the view, but we'll stop here and there and give you some few clips of where we are going and where we are headed. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy the ride with us. Maga call tu tasola mona. How are you? Fine.
2 hours later.
So we have reached Betul Church at the moment. You can see the scenic view behind. It's a beautiful view. I'll try and capture some images as well. So let's see the side. If you can see it with me. So that's the view of the beach as well. So we'll try and go there. So I'll zoom in and show you. That's where we're trying to go in there, and you can see a parasailing, the guy parasailing right there.
"15 minutes later."
So we're three of us who've made it to this mountain. Of course, it's you can see Mark there, Tabir right there as well, and he's on his Himalayan, whereas that is the 200 NS. So we're going to show you the view at the moment. It's not a very good view from here because there are all the trees that are blocking the view. But of course you can see the lighthouse that is right behind me. So that's the lighthouse right there. The bikes are there. And the view. So let's try and get you some view from here. So we have come from the chapel. We have come on top. And this is the view from here. Check the view out. This is basically where Laila also went. It's a full off-roading. Betul is a coastal town located in South Goa district. It is basically 1 hour from Margao. It is very well known for its beaches. Actually, the Sal River drains into the Arabian Sea near Betul also. And this place is also famous for the Betul Fort. Whereas this fort in recent has no signage or notification of the fort existing at this place, but this is for you. So we have reached the Betul Fort. Right now we're walking towards the fort. You can see the view behind. Of course, I'll show you the time lapse of a boat coming in. So this is the way actually to the fort at the moment. The boys are right here. So we have come walking all that way from there, right there. That is all what we have done walking. And we finally reached this spot. So I'm going to show you the view from here now. This is called the Betim Fort, but I don't see any fort behind because it's disappeared, I think. It's just drowned in the water. Oh, I just missed a fall. And that is the view behind. Isn't that great? So that's the view for you guys. I'm going to try and get some more views. Unfortunately, no 360 videos. I'll come here when the GoPro Max is back. I'll be back as well. Till then, enjoy this. So this is a quite essential Goan village. Betul is made up of colorful houses and very jovial local reside here. It relishes the panoramic views from the lighthouse. I would say the Betul lighthouse offers a beautiful panoramic view of the Betul beaches, Kepe and other surrounding villages. One needs to actually hike from the Holy Cross Chapel in order to reach here, and the lighthouse closes around 6:30 p.m. So make sure you reach there before that to actually get this beautiful view from such a beautiful spot as well. Well, the beaches do not have much of tourists, and the beaches around Betul are quite scenic and clean. You have Betul, Kavalosim, and Mobor beaches are amongst the best beaches near Betul and are devout of tourists. The Betul fort, which is now ruins, was built by Shivaji, the Maratha ruler. The fort is strategically located on a hillock, offering a stunning views of the nearby beaches, and the shore below is rocky and makes a perfect treat. I would like to thank two very important people, actually Takdeer, who's my follower since a long time, who's based in Goa, and Mark as well, for actually taking me to this beautiful spot. This was my first time I was here. Well, this is to many more spots to be explored in Goa, as I'm going to be based in Goa now more. So this is Mumbaikar boys saying thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Yes, there's going to be a lot of new beaches that I'm going to explore with these two guys. Stay tuned to the next episode. Till then, see you and have a nice day ahead.